Thinking about moving to Corvallis, Oregon? You're choosing a city that's at the heart of everything in Oregon's Willamette Valley. With our charming and historic downtown, one of Oregon's best public school districts, great healthcare, and passionate and inviting locals with a deep sense of community, Corvallis is consistently ranked as one of America's best cities to call home. And as the home of Oregon State University, education, creativity, and the excitement of major college sporting events are front and center. Corvallis features a population of just under 60,000 with a distinct urban feel surrounded by the lush green hills and valleys of Oregon's coastal mountain range. Corvallis has all the amenities of a city with the accessibility and convenience of a town half the size. This convergence of city living and nature also means sustainability is a lived mindset for many residents. We pride ourselves on being a bicycle-friendly town that's just as easy to get around on 2 wheels or 2 feet as 4. And if you choose Corvallis as your new home, you'll experience a temperate climate with 4 distinct seasons: warm and sunny summers, wet, mild winters, and spring and fall seasons that bring a great mix of both. No 2 days ever have to be quite the same here, where coffee shops, our weekly farmers market, and local stores buzz with activity. Local wineries showcasing the valley's famous Pinot Noir and Gris vintages, breweries, and distilleries offer unique craft beverage experiences, an eclectic mix of independently owned restaurants, many of which source ingredients locally, and a thriving arts and cultural community can provide a great day or evening out. And outdoor access to nearly 60 miles of trails or the beautiful Willamette River is right out your front door. And if you're up for a little adventure, the Oregon coast or the Cascade Mountain Range are just an hour's drive away. An innovative, entrepreneurial mindset that's constantly blending creativity and the arts with science and technology, as well as Oregon State's active engagement in the local startup community, also make Corvallis a great place to start and grow a new business. Rain or shine, and sometimes all at once, Corvallis is a home where your family, your business, and you can live and thrive.